Hi guys, today we are learning 5 ways to say yes. Although yes is also correct. But if you want to make your English more stylish, then you have to use the following 5 sentences or words instead of yes. So let's begin. So the first sentence is definitely, definitely, definitely. Instead of yes, you can say definitely. Number 2, of course, of course, of course. So instead of yes, you can also say of course. Third one is I would love to, I would love to, I would love to. So instead of yes, you can say I would love to. The fourth one, for sure, for sure, for sure. So instead of yes, you can say for sure. And the fifth and the last one is my thoughts exactly. My thoughts exactly. My thoughts exactly. So instead of yes, you can say my thoughts exactly. So in this way, you can make your English more stylish one. So again, I'm repeating these 5 sentences. You can use them instead of saying yes. Definitely, of course, I would love to, for sure, my thoughts exactly. Thank you for listening and see you. Bye bye in next time.